Finding a bargain these days can be hard, and whether it is for groceries, clothes or a new car, most people will be looking for the best deal they can get. There are ways and means to doing this, and when it comes to finding cheap auto insurance, there are a few tips that will help car owners gain the best possible deal for their personal circumstance. 1. Understand the policy needed. First and foremost, it is vital for consumers to understand what insurance companies look at and how the rates are reached for each case. Numerous factors are taken into consideration, such as security, a good alarm, private off-road parking, especially in a secure space such as a garage, all help to lower the cost of car insurance. Previous claims, the more years which have passed without a driver making a claim on their insurance, the cheaper the insurance will be, as they will be able to show the insurance companies that they are not a high risk. If the vehicle being insured is a new one, it is important to find out all the necessary details which will need to be given to the insurance company and have them to hand before trying to obtain a quote. 2. Shop around. The internet is definitely a useful tool when trying to search for cheap auto insurance. Using search engines to find insurance companies is quick and easy. Also, simply by changing up the search criteria by adding or omitting details, different results can be shown each time, ensuring the widest range of results. The more quotes obtained, the better. As well as manually searching for companies, there are a host of comparison websites which will do much of the legwork for you. Details are entered into one form, submitted, and within a matter of seconds, a plethora of quotes can be seen from a range of companies. It is important to remember, though, that some companies are not included on such sites, so it is still a good idea to use the search engines as mentioned previously. 3. Ask a friend. It may seem obvious, but due to the popularity of the internet and the wealth of information available there, many people might overlook the simple act of asking their friends and family for advice. Just as with the internet search engines, it is possible to obtain information which is specific to the case in question. This can be done by asking people who have recently taken out or renewed their policy, drive a similar vehicle, have similar circumstances, age, area where they live, etc. Of course, the internet yet again can be used here simply by using social networks to ask everybody on a person's contact list for some information about car insurance. 4. If you don't ask, you don't get. It is important to remember that a quote is just that, a quote. It is not the absolute bottom line. Many companies may offer discounts in certain situations, so if there is a particular company that looks good but may have offered a policy that is slightly over the desired budget, there is no harm at all in asking if they could offer a discount. The worst case scenario is that they say no. Best case scenario, the desired policy is obtained within budget. 5. Be committed. The best tip for finding cheap car insurance is to stay committed. Too many people go for the most popular companies and take the first offer they get. For the sake of doing some research and a little shopping around, it is easy to save plenty of dollars which can be put towards something much more exciting than auto insurance. Shop for the cheapest auto insurance around at cheapautoinsurance7.com. Compare 7 cheap auto insurance quotes online or over the phone and save up to $500 a year on auto insurance. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.